Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix send and receive iMessage phone number loading. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you have enabled your iMessage but you are having the issue that your iMessage send and receive phone number is still loading and stuck on this. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to open your settings app from here and then scroll down and you'll find the option of apps. Select that, then select messages app from here. And here you'll find a toggle to activate iMessage. You just have to enable this toggle, or if you're still having the same issue that your iMessage has been stuck on loading, so you have a simple way. The first way is that you have to make a software update, and the second is that you have to make a hard restart your iPhone. The first, open your software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update, because pending software updates might have these type errors. And once you have done and you are still having the same issues, so you have to make a force restart your phone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press only the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. You have to retry to enable your iMessage and you will not get the same issue again. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.